Okay, so I recently made a video talking about some slippers where the bottoms were falling apart and there were holes in it, and that was getting rid of them, and that I had bought replacements. And there were comments in there that said, "Oh, you could darn them, you could fix them, you can use glue." And yeah, those are all really great suggestions, so thank you very much. But here's the thing. If you are not the kind of person who enjoys sewing or is good at sewing and isn't going to go to someone who can help you fix those, that's okay. You need to learn if you're the type of person who is going to fix something. And certain projects I definitely, will fix, and certain things I won't. And part of decluttering and organizing and making your house be the exact way that you want it to be is learning what you will or aren't willing to do and getting rid of the stuff that you aren't willing to turn into projects and being okay with that. It's okay. I'm going to recycle them. They'll go where they need to go, but I also know myself, and I know that I hate sewing, and I'm okay with that. And so again, it's about part of this process is about being honest with yourself of what are you willing to do? Are you the kind of person who is going to make their bed and put decorative pillows on it? Or are you the type of person who's like, ooh, that's just an extra step that I don't want to take? And either way is totally okay. You just need to figure out, what steps am I willing to take to get my house organized and make it look the way I want it to? And what steps do I want to skip because they're just not me? They're both okay. Thanks for following. Feel free to share your comments. And if you're ready to work with me, then DM me and let's get started.